This Ajbvp 5-color LED track lighting kit combines 4 independently adjustable heads with full horizontal and vertical rotation, so you can aim light precisely where it is needed in a kitchen, gallery, or workspace. The zoomable optics let you narrow or widen the beam across several angles, making it easy to switch between tight accent lighting and broad general illumination without changing fixtures. 5 selectable color temperatures, from warm to daylight, allow you to fine-tune the mood of a room and match existing lighting so artwork, countertops, and decor look their best. The fixture supports smooth dimming over a wide range when paired with compatible controls, giving you flexible brightness from subtle evening ambiance to strong task lighting. With a high-output LED engine that delivers strong brightness at relatively low power draw, this track kit offers efficient performance suitable for both residential and commercial use. A high color rendering index and long-rated service life mean colors appear natural over many years of use, reducing maintenance while keeping displays, food, and furnishings looking accurate and vibrant.